So here we are again with another question on combined signal operations. So here again we have this expression, this is the signal, we have to perform the multiple signal operation or combined signal operation. So let us break it down into individual signal operations. So the way we see it proceeding from one end, okay, let's say from one end to the other, we can break it down as the original signal xt to xt plus 3 first, that is time shifting. Sorry, this. Then xt plus 3 to x 2t plus 3, time scaling. Then we can perform time reversal xt plus 3 to x minus 2t plus 3, time reversal or time inversion. Then amplitude scaling x minus 2t plus 3 to x by 3 minus 2t plus 3. But again here the amplitude scaling is scale down operation because we are reducing the amplitude by a factor 1 by 3. Then we have amplitude inversion, that is x by 3 minus 2t plus 3 to minus x by 3 minus 2t plus 3. It is amplitude inversion. So total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 operations. So we'll do it one by one. First is time shifting. So time shifting first. So x t plus 3. So it means the shifting will happen to the left by 3 units. Okay, so the time shifted signal, it will look something like this. So a simple way to figure it out is go to the original signal, then from the starting and the ending points of the signal is subtract minus 3, 1 minus 3, 4 minus 3, which will give you the new starting and ending points. 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 4 minus 3 is 1. So the new starting point is minus 2, and the new ending point is 1. The amplitude will stay the same, 3, 6 and 9. So it will be here it will be 3, then it will be 6, then it will be 9, like this. Okay, this is the time shifted signal. So the shape is a little bit varying because we have there is a slight difference between the spacing between the points, but the same thing. Okay, this is the time shifted signal. Next we have time scaling, x 2t plus 3, time scaling. X 2t plus 3. So here 2 is getting multiplied with t in the expression, so the same will get divided in the time axis. So all of these points where the signal exists from the starting to the ending point will get divided by 2. So this is minus 1, this is minus 0.5, that is plus 0.5. So the time scaled signal, it will be something like this. Nothing will change in the amplitude axis, it will stay the same, that is 3, 6, 9, and it will be minus 1, minus 0.5, 0, 0.5. So it will be this, this is the time scaled signal. Okay. Next we have time reversal. Okay, time reversal. So for that, what we have to do, we have to simply form the mirror image of this time scaled signal about the positive time axis. Okay, the positive time axis, imagining as if a mirror is placed along the amplitude axis. So the time reversal reverse signal, it will look something like this. One, 1.5, this is T. Nothing will change in the amplitude side, 3, 6, 9. So it will be exactly the mirror image of this signal. Okay, so it will be like this. Like this. Okay, this. Exactly the mirror image about the positive time axis, like this. Now we have performed time reversal. Now we have to perform amplitude scaling, scale down operation. So here we'll divide each of these amplitude points by 3. So this is the time reverse signal, x minus 2t plus 3. This is x minus 2t plus 3. Now we have to perform amplitude scaling. So we'll divide each of these points divided by 3. 1 by 3, xt plus 3, that is x minus 2t plus 3. So we'll divide each of these amplitude points divided by 3. That will give us the new amplitude. So this is equal to 1, this is equal to 2, this is equal to 3. Zero, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 0.5, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. 1 by 3, x minus 2t plus 3. This scale down by a factor 1 by 3. So new amplitudes 1, 2, 3. Then after amplitude scaling, we have amplitude inversion. So it is nothing but the mirror image of this amplitude scaled signal along the negative amplitude axis, imagining as if a mirror is placed along the time axis. So amplitude inversion, here we'll do So it will be like this. So here it will be -1, -2, -3. Here it is -0.5, so 0.5, so 0, this is 1, this is 1.5. So it will be like this. This is the amplitude inverted signal, which is minus 1 by 3 x minus 2t plus 3. This is the final signal. Okay, minus x by 3 minus 2t plus 3. So this original signal, it passed through these 5 stages, 5 individual signal operations. First, time shifting, shifting the signal to the left by 3 units, then time scaling, where the time values, they get divided by 2 because of 2t, then time reversal, mirror image along the time axis, then amplitude scaling, scaling it down by a factor 1 by 3, then amplitude inversion, forming the mirror image along the amplitude axis. So this is the final result, this. So this is the combined signal operation question.